Hi YouTube! I just got this new Mr. Coffee iced coffee maker a few weeks ago and I have been loving it. It's the only machine I've found that makes iced coffee that's actually not watered down and it takes under 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you guys how I make my cup. First you're going to go out by opening this and taking off the top part. You're going to fill the water spout to max fill. And then you're going to replace the top. Next, you're going to take the scooper that comes with the machine and fill up the coffee. I like to fill it a little bit more than you technically should because I think the extra coffee grounds just makes for stronger coffee. So if you're used to a stronger cup like Starbucks, I would recommend doing this. Put it right in there. You're going to want to fill up your cup with ice. I decided to add a chocolate rim for a little extra flavor, but obviously you don't have to. You're going to go up here and close the lid. You're also going to want to make sure this is on to drip. When it's over here, nothing comes out. Once you put it on to drip, it's able to brew coffee. As long as it's plugged in, you could go right down here and press start. You should see that light go on, and that's how you know that it's working. If the light didn't go on, you're going to have to press it again. And then you wait. It should take about 3 minutes to brew out. That varies though. You can see here it's beginning to brew. This machine works by brewing out cooler coffee, but it's not totally cool, so it accounts for the ice that it's going to melt, which is why you use a larger coffee scoop than a traditional machine. And then it melts over the coffee, and the ice to coffee ratio winds up to be perfect, so you don't have watery iced coffee. You can see that the coffee is really dark and super concentrated when it comes out. The smell is also incredible. The coffee's just starting to finish up here. You could see it nearly fills a venti. Once I mix around the ice and it kind of comes together a little bit more, it pretty much fills a venti-sized Starbucks cup, or it will perfectly fill the tumbler that the machine comes with, so you're welcome to use either. And here is the finished product. If you like this video, please give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more coffee recipes and how I break down the machine and clean it after my coffee's out. So I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.